Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Assam silk chiffon saree, cotton saree, plain chiffon saree, plain lace work saree, plain embroidery work saree, lightweighted chiffon saree, Georgian saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, these kind of sarees are so soft, lightweighted, transparent and more flexible to wear. Friends, this kind of saree perfect suitable for all age group women, especially younger age group women, elder age group women and middle aged girl. Friends, this kind of saree collection crafted with lace work, mirror work, stone work, border work, saree work and others. Friends, this kind of tweeted chiffon and Georgian saree collection are perfect suitable for daily wear, office wear, temple wear, party wear, function, festival, wedding, engagement, get together, birthday party, and all other simple and special event. Friends, this kind of chiffon and Jordan saree comes with different range of colors, pattern and design. These kind of sarees are one of the best and amazing saree for daily wear. So many Bollywood celebrities love to wear this kind of saree for all their event. Friends, this kind of sarees are available in online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want buy this chiffon Georgian cotton saree in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys will love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.